What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. Today it's snowing a lot. I spelled it wrong. Look at this. The snowplows haven't came through. This is way too nice to not ride the go-kart. And the reason the go-kart is not together is because I'm missing the little like bullet thing for the brakes. That thing's long gone. So we're running no brakes. No brakes and slicks on the snow. Not a good idea at all, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So with the power editing, we're gonna put this together. 3, 2, 1. Impacts are scary. I feel like I'm always doing something wrong. Because I absolutely forgot to show you guys before doing anything, so I was just way too excited. This is our brake setup right here. And you're wondering, what is this zip tie? This has to be up there. What is this zip tie? Well, there's no brake. The brake's right there because I don't have the little bullet thing like I said. So I kind of just yanked the wire this way so the caliper wouldn't fall out. Oh. It works good enough, okay? That's the setup. See how this goes. God, my feet keep slipping. Oh, okay. Okay. Except, no brakes. No brakes. I got no brakes. I can go in these ruts. See what happens? Woo! Okay. Steer. Full throttle. Oh, there's some grip. Oh, I'm getting covered in snow. I forgot I have no brakes. Oh my. Okay. Watch my belt slipping. Bro. I'm covered. Oh. Yo. Alright, this is all just slush. So my belt's just slipping. Uh-oh. Hey. Oh! I'm just drifting around. Alright, let's see if we can get through the backyard. There's no way. This is a lot of snow. Woo-hoo. I'm actually doing pretty good. Okay, right as I say that. All right, go on.
2,000 years later.
Enjoying the awesome weather. Very awesome, yeah. Oh man, all right, here we go. There we go, they're out. Hey. No way you're stuck on a generator. Does it have reverse? It's like in gear? Oh, it does. I mean, I've never really messed with these, so I don't really know how they work, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. See how it go? It stops. That's something I learned. Don't get hurt. Probably get it started up on the hill here. Choke there. Pull there. Fast. Park. Slow stop. 1, 2, 3 reverse. Oh, it's not neutral, that's why. Clutch? Oh, that's crazy. It like literally has a clutch. Let's just give it. Is there gas in this one? Please have a full tank. Hey, it's empty. Alright, I got faith that this is starting up right away. Oh, a little engager for the clutch, hey, that's cool. Dang, that's on there. That's not, what the? That's That's like dry rotted on there. Is it this? I mean, the choke's on. I meant kill switch. Where's the kill switch at? Oh, you're in park. Alright, okay. That scared the crap out of me. I didn't know that's all you needed. This thing's loud as crap! Is there a kill switch? Yep, it's already on. Alright, let's see if she'll start. Just give it a whack here. I'm sure nothing has gas in it. Oh, that's a full tank. Now, that seems very yellow, unless that's just the thing. I'm sure it'll start, there's no way. Dang! That's as far as we're getting. It's in neutral, so... On? I don't know. It would have started after those pulls, though. Oh! Hey! Okay. Never mind, I should have just had faith in it. Does it turn off? Hell yeah! Holy crap! So torquey! It's in neutral. Engine attachment. Stay in neutral. Oh my god. Oh! There we go. 4. Okay. I guess let's just start going. Slap this in neutral. Alright. I'm getting less scared of it. Done 2. I feel more careful on 1. This one, max! Alright. Hey, that one. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Oh. Alright. What is making all that sound in there? Is it broken? It's making so many rickety sounds, man. Whoa.